This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing credentials and a target repo. Create a Cloudflare API token scope to your zone and workers or pages as needed. Store it in GitHub secrets. Make sure your repository has a build command and output folder, or a Docker file if using containers. Once done, create a deployment branch and add a minimal GitHub action workflow file to the repo root so the automation can trigger on push. This starts the continuous delivery pipeline and links GitHub to Cloudflare. Next, configure the GitHub Actions workflow to build and deploy. In the workflow, check out the code, install runtime or Docker, run the build command, then call the Cloudflare action or use CFCLI to authenticate with the API token. Provide account ID and project name or zone ID depending on pages, workers, or routes. Make sure secrets are referenced via secrets. Secret name. Once pushed, monitor the action logs to verify install, build, authentication, and upload steps. This reveals any missing env-vars or permission failures. Finish by validating the deployed site or worker in Cloudflare's dashboard. Confirm DNS points to Cloudflare if using a custom domain and that the proxy setting is correct. Then open the deployment URL. If you see errors, check action logs for build failures, missing environment variables, or permission denials. Those produce 4xx or 5xx statuses. As a troubleshooting tip, rotate the API token and re-add it to GitHub secrets if authentication fails. Then rerun the workflow to ensure the link between GitHub and Cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.